Hi friends, this is Silva. Day by day related videos we are uploading my channel. Just subscribe this channel. Okay, how to solve this kind of issue for Windows 11 looping for startup menu every time. Okay, this is error. Windows 11 cannot log in. Go to here, troubleshoot, advanced option, startup setting. Here restart to Windows options such as startup setting. This kind of tab is comes. Go on, once restart, here option is there, click restart. Now it is login to for the startup settings. This is option is there. Go on, enable save mode in keyboard, press number 4, just click 4. It is gone to save mode. Now Windows 11, go to a save mode. It is working or not, check. Now it is working. Now enter your password and log in once again and check this key required. Just click search command search, check disk once, or not needed command prompt for check disk. Once restart your computer to here. Okay, go on, restart it. It is automatically go to original for Windows 11 login. Now it is working. Now just log in your password and check it here. Okay friends, day by day IT related videos are uploading channel. Just subscribe. See you next video. Thank you friends.